Z5 for a couple of months now, and it's a great piece of equipment. Previously I would struggle with probably the more deep-chested dogs, trying to find things like adrenals and the kidneys sometimes, but this piece of equipment, it's so simple to use. I love how it's set up. You can choose whether you're doing an abdominal, cardiac exam, whether it's a large dog or a cat, and it sets up accordingly with the depth, focus gain. It's so easy, and the image quality is absolutely fantastic. So I'm really, really impressed and really pleased with it. So we use ultrasound very frequently in the practice. It's an incredibly useful tool in veterinary medicine. We will often have cases where, say, we have an animal with abdominal pain, bloods don't really give us much indication, so it's incredibly useful to kind of source the root of the problem, and we use it very frequently. I also use it for things like pregnancy diagnosis, assessing hearts for pericardial fusion. It's probably one of the most used pieces of equipment in the practice. The menu system couldn't be more straightforward. You just select whether you're doing a dog, abdomen, large dog abdomen, cat, cardiac. It's so simple, and everything is set up and ready to go once you select. Very simple and straightforward to save images. We just save them onto a USB port. The great thing about this machine is it also has video, which is new to me and I was a bit daunted, but actually it's very easy, and I've already sent images to specialists, which has been very useful. So yeah. The Doppler function is new to me. Our previous machine didn't have it, and already it's proved very useful. I've been able to diagnose an adrenal tumour, which we had about 4 weeks ago, which I definitely wouldn't have been able to do with confidence with our previous machine, so loving that function. We're a two-vet practice, and both of us use the machine quite frequently. I probably use it a little bit more just because it's one of my favourite toys to use, but my assistant is also going to be doing some ultrasound training courses, so I'm sure she'll be just as addicted to it as I am. So my experience with ultrasound, I just simply started by doing a 2-day introduction to abdominal scanning, and it was an excellent course, and it just gave me the confidence to proceed with scanning, and that's when we invested in the equipment and haven't looked back really. With regards to charging and using the ultrasound, it's one of those things. Until I did my course I wasn't very confident with it, but that really established my confidence, and I feel much happier charging for the service of using the ultrasound scanner. We have set fees whether we're doing maybe just a single organ, such as checking for a pyometra, or whether we're doing a full abdominal or heart scan, but also we have pregnancy diagnosis charges as well, so we vary it. But I think it is worth the money we charge, because it's a great piece of equipment, but they're not cheap, and you have to justify how you use it. I think for practices, investing in a really decent ultrasound machine such as Z5 is money well spent. It really has been invaluable to us at the practice. It's generated us a lot of revenue, and also we've just been able to do much more thorough workup with our patients. So it's definitely worth investing in, and I think, you know, getting some CPD done with ultrasound will just increase your confidence, and you'll feel much more able to charge for your services. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it. Our probe cover is a little knitted hat just to protect it. Yeah, we love our machine so much we knitted a hat for it.